Hi, little first graders. It is time for our reading lesson. And today we're going to be learning about something called pronouns. So we know that a noun is a person, place, or thing. And shall we sing our song? I really don't want to sing it by myself, but I'm going to. Today I learned a noun can be a, what was it? Person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing. I hope you were singing with me, first graders. All right, I know you were, most of you, some of you. All right, so we are going to learn about pronouns today. Are you excited? Give me a whoop whoop if you're excited, or a mighty oh yeah. All right, first graders, read along with me, please. Kate went on a trip. She was sad at the start of the trip. Kate met Jack in the coin shop. He was an expert on coins. Kate had found a coin. It was made of silver. Does this sound familiar? This was from our last reader, isn't it? About Kate and how she found that, what was it, a Spanish coin? And her Spanish coin. So a little extra thing I want you to do right now, if you'd like, pause this video, and on your whiteboard, I would like you to write for me all of the oi sounds that you hear. Let me grab my marker. Write oi words, write R words, and write ow words that are right here. So pause it. I'll get out of your way. Pause. All right, unpause. If you did that, you should have found these 4 words. Excuse me. The words were start, coin, found, and coin again. We have that AR that says R, the OI that says oi, the OU that says ow, and then our OI again, because we had coin twice, that says oi. Good job, boys and girls. All right, first graders, we're going to read this part again. It says, Kate went on a trip. She was sad at the start of the trip. Who are we talking about when we say she? Who was sad? Who was it? That's right, it was Kate. Kate is sad. So sometimes when we're writing, we can replace nouns with a different word. In this case, we replace the word Kate with she. Who are we talking about? We're talking about Kate. Kate was the one who is sad. Whenever we use these words to replace a noun, it is called a pronoun. And we're going to be talking about 3 pronouns today: she, he, and it. So let's look at he. Kate met Jack in the coin shop. He was an expert on coins. Who are we talking about when we say he? We know we're not talking about Kate, right? For one thing, Kate is a she. And Kate's not the expert on the coins. So we must be talking about Jack. So Jack is the noun that the pronoun he, is replacing. And let's look at our last one. It says Kate had found a coin. It was made of silver. So what's our pronoun here? What is our pronoun? Think about it. Whisper, it. Throw it at me. It, right. It is our pronoun. What noun is our pronoun it replacing? It can't be replacing Kate, right? Because Kate's a she, not an it. And Kate's not made of silver. That would be silly. It's replacing coin. Good job. So our pronoun it is replacing the noun coin. All right, so take out that weekly schedule and you'll see that we were identifying nouns and pronouns. We just talked about that, and now we see that we need to turn to workbook page 7.1, which is, voila, right here. Go ahead and pause me until you're on this page. When you are here, you are going to do what we just did on the big paper. So you need to look at the sentence. Kate is 9. She wrote a book. You're going to identify the pronoun and underline it. So on this one, they have underlined she, because she is the pronoun that's replacing this noun Kate. Then you'll notice that they drew a line over to Kate to indicate that the pronoun she is replacing the noun Kate. Then they rewrote what the pronoun is on this line. This is me writing upside down. All right. So for number 2, Jack has a shop. He sells coins. You'll underline the pronoun and then draw a line over to who the pronoun is replacing. Have fun on that, boys and girls. All right, class. Next up in our lesson, we are going to grab our reader. Just like it says here, we will read The Picnic by the River. And then we're going to do workbook page 8.1. So grab out your reader, Grace, and turn to your table of contents. And you'll find the story that comes after Mr. Spencer and the Rabbits, The Picnic by the River. Let's put our finger over. We see that it's on page number 8. And you can turn to page number 8. Here it is. You're going to read this story and then you're going to answer the questions. But first, I would like to remind you that what kind of sounds that you'll be seeing while you're reading. Let me see if I can make this close. I cannot. Hold on just a second. Here we go. So in our story called Picnic by the River, we will have our sounds spelled with our C, like Grace, Spencer, raced, and center. We'll have our sounds spelled with CE, like voice and glanced. We'll have our sounds spelled with SE, like in rinsed. And we're going to go back to our ED, and that ED is going to make the T sound. Remember, our ED can make 3 different sounds. It can make our ed, our D, or our T. All of these are going to make the T sound, like picked, stuffed, asked, brushed, and slipped. Remember, they don't make the ed or the because then that would be picked. And we don't pick at an apple, right? We picked an apple. We also have some vocab words. Picnic is a meal eaten outdoors. And I did a picture for you because I know you miss my wonderful drawings. And they're eating a pizza. Brushed, if something is brushed, it's moved lightly and quickly. Like if Ray, who's sleeping right now, brushed by, she moves lightly and quickly and maybe brushes up against you. And if somebody glanced, they looked quickly. Remember that little doggy I showed you? And he was glancing. He's looking very quickly. All right. All right, after you read the story, you'll turn to page, it looks like it's on page 37, which is 8.1, The Picnic by the River. These, you are going to write your complete sentences. So what was in the basket? So say a pizza was in the basket. Are you just going to write pizza? Is that a correct answer? It's correct, but is it finished? It's not quite finished. We need a complete sentence. So a complete sentence would be, a pizza was in the basket. Make sure you're checking your cops. Make sure you have your capitals, your finger spacing, your punctuation, your spelling. You guys know what to do. And use your neatest, nicest handwriting. Also put the page number where you found your answer. And there is the front page and the back page. You can do it all at once, or you can split it up and go play outside. Have fun, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye.